So Aaron's going to start with my eyebrows. She'll be using the Revolution Duo Brow Definer in medium brown. Here you go. So tell them what you're doing.
I'm doing the eyebrows, and this is what Toni-Anne bought, and this is the medium brown, as she said. I know that it's really quiet, but I'm trying to
Concentrate.
But it's fine if you can talk.
So I should talk.
Yeah, you can talk.
This is Aaron's first time doing my face. So she's trying very hard.
So this is my first time doing Toni-Anne's eyebrows. And so subscribe to go onto Instagram and go to Cheyenne's photos and go to Cheyenne Fry and go onto Toni-Anne's Instagram, and it's Toni-Anne Davis.
Yeah, Toni-Anne _Davis.
Toni-Anne _Davis. And I saw all of her pictures. She showed me when Cheyenne do her face, and now I'm doing it on your face. I never did it, but now I'm doing it now. So my sister's here.
Yeah, you have to still do my face.
I'm really so lucky.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm lucky.
Why are you lucky?
Because I never did my sister's face. Guys, don't see her do that, because I'm her sister and she has to respect. And don't make that face.
Sorry.
And no laughing, kids.
Sorry, bossy.
I'm not a bossy.
Oh well, it's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Tan. You just put a little bit on the brush and then you draw around. So show them what you're doing.
So I'm just putting concealer on. I make sure that I'm doing it correctly.
No, you did a good job. You just started.
It's not turning out well.
You can put a bit more.
Oh my god, it's so nice. So now I'm going to blend it in. It's like this. So I'm just going to blend it in like that.
Did you wet the brush? I mean, wet the sponge?
Oh!
You forgot.
So tell the kids.
Okay. She's just going to wet the sponge. Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. I did not even do that either. Here's concealer.
Okay, that's the primer. You put primer on first. I had the It Cosmetics cream serum on my face before. That's why I'm this colour. You just put it all over my face.
All over your face?
Yeah, just squeeze a tiny bit.
Oh!
It's okay, it's okay.
It's so funny.
And then you just rub it in.
Yeah. Oh!
Don't need any more on the forehead. Just a chin and then
Cheek.
Yeah.
So cute. Cheek. Chin. This is really funny. Oh!
That's enough.
Okay.
Alright, so for foundation, she's putting on the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 356.
It looks like it's so nice.
You like it?
It's like it's so blended already.
This might hit over here. Then concealer, we're going to put this one under my eyes now.
So I'm gonna use this one again under our eyes. The eye patch. Okay, I'm gonna come from the outside.
Yeah. So show them what you're using.
So I'm using this palette.
It's the You Are Gold palette.
It's the You Are Gold. You Are Gold.
Gold.
Gold. Gold.
Let's just show. Okay, she's using the middle shade.
This one.
Yeah.
And I'm putting it on here.
There. There. What?
This is all. I'm really happy with it. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Don't look at that.
Oh.
Look at the camera.
Okay, sorry. I was looking in the mirror.
Don't look in the mirror, please. Don't be like that, Toni-Anne.
Okay. Oh.
Sorry. Oh my god, it's windy. Oh my. Outside. Toni-Anne.
Sorry. I went into your finish. Sorry. Come on.
Your own lady.
Excuse me. I'll do it.
Because I don't want to do it.
And you just put the brush in that.
Oh.
And then you put it on.
Oh my god, I'm just.
It's okay.
Oh my god. Ah.
It's okay.
Oh. I'm not really good at this. Mess it up. Yeah.
Then other side.
Oh my god, I'm getting it all up. Yeah.
It's okay. It's not bad. You finish with the powder?
Yep.
Okay, and then you go back into the You Are Gold palette and then go.
You are gold.
Go. Yeah, you go back into that one and you go around with the brown shade again.
Brown shade.
Yeah, not with that brush. Go back to the brush you're using. Put there and then come in. Aaron's doing my makeover, mum. Doing a good job so far, isn't it?
Yeah, excellent. Well done.
Go away.
Oh! Don't be rude!
Sorry.
Let's send her to her bed right now.
Isn't it? What are we doing now, Ariane?
Now we're doing the blush.
That is highlight. The other side.
Oh, smile. Oh.
You could put on a bit more blush.
Yes.
Okay, then what are we doing next?
The eyes.
Okay.
I'm going to go back into this red.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to pat it. And then I'm going to go into the
Orange.
orange again to pat it just a little bit. Oh my god, that just made it. I'm just going to go to here. So I'm going to do a short one and a long one. Now I'm going to get this yellow.
Mm-hmm.
This yellow. So I'm going to pat it. So I'm going to pat it like that. Can you like go all the way to here?
Mm-hmm. If you want to.
And now I'm going to go into a different brush. Which brush can I use? So I mixed in the blue. No, I mean the pink. No,
Red.
red, orange, and yellow. Now I'm going to go into this green.
Okay.
So I'm going to blend it. Like I'm going to just pat it like that.
Okay.
And then now I'm going to go into another brush. maybe this blue.
Okay.
So I'm going to go to this brush. Yeah, mixed in. So I'm going to go into the blue.
Whoa.
Look at this blue. Bloody shoes. It's bloody shoes.
Oh, you're saying Cardi B.
Yeah. So I'm going to go into a different brush, or I can like swirl it.
A different brush.
So I'm going to go in the different brush again. Bloody shoes. Now I'm just going to use this brush for now. So I'm going to go onto this purple. This one. Swirl. Okay. Now I'm going to use pink after this. Look at this purple.
I'm showing them the look.
So this is the look so far. Now I'm going to go to a different brush. Now I'm going to use this kind of brush. And I'm going to use this. It looks like it's pink. This, so if any of them fall out, then I'm going to.
Okay, I think that's enough colours on the lid now.
Now I'm going to go on the other side. And
Did you show them what the colour was?
so this color.
That one, alright.
So I'm on to this pretty color. I'm going to wait. I'm going to the other side. Oh yeah, the lips. Now it's on to the lips. So I'm going to use this.
Let me brush away this powder first. Everything you want to do? You finished?
Yes.
Okay, so hold on a second. Okay, final touches. She's gonna put her lipstick on me, another one. You happy with it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the final look of Ariane doing my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know what you think down below. Any final words from the makeup artist?
I think I did amazing and good.
Yeah.
So I was really happy to do this video with my sister. And I'm really happy for getting the lipsticks. And
don't forget to
like and subscribe. Like and subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Had you done it? If you did, then good job.
Alright, I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see her back on my channel, then just let me know. And what do you have to say?
Just so bye.
Bye.